Exomologiste tokirio te agathos alleluia.
Otis ton neona to eleos aftu alleluia.
What's your point? So you don't know my point. Why are you just saying I was supporting him?
Please listen.
Yeah, I was supporting
Please
him.
listen.
Yeah.
What did I say? This is where Muslims would gaslight. It is very important to stay focused. What did I say? I don't have a clue as to how much you are delusional or not. I haven't got a clue. All that I can tell you. Yes. All that I can say.
I'm
One
just
second.
asking- No.
One second.
Wait. No, because you keep talking.
All that I can say.
You keep
Excuse me, sir,
talking
please.
rubbish.
All
Let
that
me say
I
my
can.
point.
Please.
I just need to say my point. Can I say
Please,
my point?
please stay quiet.
Can I say my point?
All that I can say.
Can I
One
say my point?
1 second.
I just need to say my
All
point.
okay, please.
Because I'm not going
Let
to
me go.
disrespect
Let me
what you're
ask this again.
I'm not going to.
I believe.
What you ask me.
I'll ask you
What?
and then answer.
What's your question?
I'll ask you right now if you listen.
No.
Don't
Because
interrupt.
what I
Okay,
need
he
to
wants to know
answer-
what my question
No,
is
I just need to
without
answer-
letting me speak. Would you like to know my question?
No.
Okay, in which case, please keep moving this way. Thank you very much. If you please keep moving.
Bible
For
is
all-
a lie. Torah is a lie.
Lovely.
Quran is a lie.
My dear friends,
They're not from Allah. They're not from God.
what I am holding
Lies.
in my hand.
Lies.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What I am holding in my hand is what is called the Quran.
If you give people
Thank you.
to speak,
Yeah,
because
sure. Thank you.
giving
You're now desperate. If you are so desperate, the toilet is out there. Thank you. Please, thank you. I understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You have to have
Islam,
I am
let people
Messiah.
speak. Let people speak.
God,
You
why?
can't just continue to-
please practice what you preach. Thank you.
I am Messiah.
My dear friends,
God anointed me
Islam
by wiping my feet.
is causing issues across the world and including in Israel and our own nation, the UK, because Islam is a religion of delusion. This is what it masters on. Delusion. Islam began as a religion of delusion and it continues as a religion of delusion. I'll give you 3 specific delusional ideas that Islam had right at its origin. Point number 1. The Muslims crazily thought somehow they were entitled to take over the land and properties of all non-Muslims. It began with Masjid al-Haram, which was a non-Islamic religious place of worship. The Muslims, in their delusion, thought they could take it over. That's delusion number 1. Delusion number 2. The Muslims, because of some crazy, weird drug that they had taken, I don't know where they get this drug. This drug is clearly very, very potent. Muslims across the world seem to be taking the same drug and therefore they are delusional in the same way. Where there is no shred of evidence, Muslims across the world and throughout time somehow are misled into thinking that the Quran agrees with the Bible, that the Bible is Islamic, that Abraham was Islamic, that Jesus was Islamic, that Moses was Islamic. Like, look at him, nodding his head. Delusion everywhere. That Moses was Islamic. All right, Omar, please come here. So Omar is going to take up a lovely challenge right now. Excuse me, sir, please stay focused.
Don't interrupt me.
1 second.
Don't interrupt me.
1 second.
Yes.
Give him
I will let you
microphone.
speak,
Give him microphone.
but stop threatening. Focus on the question.
I'm not threatening.
Okay.
I'm not threatening.
Threat or don't. Threat. Please stay focused.
You're lying.
That doesn't matter what your wonderful reason is. Stop threatening.
Okay,
Stay focused on the question. Please stay focused. Question is this. What?
Before your question,
And now he wants to go before.
No.
Please.
No, listen to me,
The
listen to me,
question
listen to me,
is
listen to
simple.
me.
Wow, stay. No, not interested. The
Let
question.
me say, wait.
The question. The question is simple. What evidence have you got as a Muslim living in the UK, having access to all sorts of historical resources from the British Museum, from the British Library, and all sorts of other institutions that are available here?
Your question.
What evidence have you got to demonstrate that Moses, Jesus, Abraham were Muslims? Don't take the microphone. Don't panic. Stay focused. Be calm. Give an answer.
Okay, sorry for that.
Thank you.
I'm not panicking. The first thing, you asking me your question. So we are talking with each, yeah? Me and you. Is that right? Are we talking for argument or for challenging or to understand?
Does he understand the question? I've asked the question
No,
very
no,
clearly.
I understand.
I'll
I
ask the question again.
I understand
His
your question.
dawah
I
clueless
understand
script
your
isn't
question.
working.
I understand your
Please stay
question.
focused. Excuse me, sir. Please stay focused.
Do you have,
Omar, please stay focused.
are you, can you head?
Thank you very much. Please stay focused.
I understand your question.
What is the
I
question?
understand your question.
Please listen.
Okay, let me answer.
You clearly did not.
Okay, let me
I'll
answer.
repeat.
Okay, let me answer.
For your
I
information.
understand. Let me
Please,
answer. Let me
one
answer.
second.
Let me
One
answer.
second.
Can I answer?
No. Wait. I'll repeat. Before you answer, if you have to take any drugs to get your mind right, please do all that, but focus on the question right now. Having lived in the UK, having access to all sorts of historical resources, Omar, what evidence have you got to bring before us at Speaker's Corner in the UK where knowledge is exchanged to prove or to demonstrate that Abraham, Moses, and Jesus were Muslims?
Okay, first of all, to convince you is that I have to convince you with something before this. I have to convince you, firstly, you have to convince there is a God and there is, if you don't convince me with this first thing, you will not going to be convinced by anything. I have to talk to you about the Islam itself.
Did you understand the question?
I understand your question.
Listen to me.
Okay,
Excuse me.
I'll
No,
give you the evidence.
don't panic,
I will
don't.
give you the evidence.
Thank you.
I will give you the evidence.
If you please focus, thank
The
you.
evidences are verses from the Holy Quran.
Yeah, well,
You are
yeah.
not going to believe the Holy Quran. That's
Ah.
why I have to convince
Did you listen to him? What did I say? Islam is a religion of delusion. Did I not say this?
That's what I'm saying.
So what does he say? Whereas I asked about characters who showed up on the face of the earth centuries. Please listen.
I have to convince
Please,
you.
excuse me.
You have to convince with
My
Quran
dear Omar,
first.
please listen.
Then you can convince by
Please listen.
small things.
Please listen. Please listen, yeah?
I'm listening.
You're not listening.
You are
You're
not
rambling
convinced
on.
by God.
In
How
English,
you are convinced by people.
in English, the term is rambling. That's what you're doing. Vomiting, verbal diarrhea, not useful. This is Speaker's Corner. If you're ill, verbal diarrhea, you can find out the closest NHS hospital. Get admitted, please.
Thank you so
Now
much
stay
for this.
focused.
I'm fine.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Now prove that you are fine by staying focused on the question. I completely agree that the delusional Islam thinks that Abraham was a Muslim. I'm not disagreeing. And that is exactly where I even started. Islam is a religion of delusion. I completely agree. For whatever strange reason, Islam or the Quran thinks against all evidence that Abraham was a Muslim, that Jesus was a Muslim, that Moses was a Muslim, that King Saul was a Muslim, and all sorts of other characters were Muslims. The Quran thinks so. I completely agree. And that is exactly where I told you earlier clearly that the writers of the Quran, the early Muslims, and Muslims throughout time clearly have had access to some strange drug which brings about delusion. Quite strong delusion. I agree. My question to you was not whether the Quran claims that or not. My question to you was, do you have Abraham, for your information, do you know when Abraham lived? Doesn't have a clue. I would have thought so. Muslim
Finish.
doesn't have a clue.
Finish.
Do you know or not?
Yeah, I
Do you
know.
know when did
Yes, I
Abraham live?
Live.
Live.
He lived in.
Boom.
Yeah,
Please. Yeah.
let me tell you.
Sure,
Exactly.
yeah, please.
Ibrahim, he lived in the area between Jordan. Let me explain to you. Why are you laughing?
Do you understand the word when?
Let me finish.
Excuse me, please. Do you understand the word when?
The time, I don't know what the time. because
Just tell me. Just tell me you don't know.
It's a chronology. It's something easy.
It's chronology.
That's a chronology. If you
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back, it's a chronology.
We
Understand
get it from
where-
calendar. If they
Because
say anything
it
else
is not- it is
except
not-
the answer,
it is not-
please,
it's
excuse
not a
me,
big
Omar,
problem.
don't ramble on. Verbal diarrhea
You
is not
keep
useful.
talking. Let me
Stay focused.
Let me talk.
Do you know when Abraham lived? If you don't know, just tell me you don't know.
Yes.
Please then tell me, when did he live?
Stop.
I have stopped.
Let me finish. If we go back to chronology, and we will understand where and when Ibrahim
Yeah.
exactly lived.
Yes, when?
This is.
When was that?
Let me finish up.
Yeah, sure.
Please, let me finish up.
Sure.
And this is not the main point. You
Oh,
asked
yo.
me,
Do you know or don't you know?
Can
Just
I
tell.
finish?
Are you a liar?
finish, please?
Like your Muhammad, are you a
can
liar?
I finish, please?
No.
Can I finish?
Just tell me, do you know or don't you know?
I know.
Yeah, please tell me.
Please, let me.
Liar.
Let me finish.
Pants
Let
on
me
fire.
finish. Let me finish.
Please.
Don't interrupt
Tell me when Abraham lived.
You are old man. Have your mind. Let me finish. Me as a Muslim, let me finish, okay?
Yeah.
I gave you your time, you spoke.
Yeah.
Me, I'm a Muslim. My reference is
Yeah.
the Holy Quran.
Yeah.
And you,
Only delusion.
please, let me finish.
Yeah.
Please let me finish.
Sure.
Me as a Muslim, my
Yeah.
reference is the Holy Quran.
Yeah.
And you as a non-Muslim, so as long as I'm a Muslim and my reference is the Holy Quran, so I'm
You're
going.
repeating right now. Please continue. Yes. Thank you.
I'm going to take my evidences from the Holy Quran, which you don't believe.
Yeah.
Here's the matter.
No,
I have to
actually, wow. Do you know or don't you know when Abraham lived? Please. Thank you. Instead of focusing on the one question I asked, he went into all
By the way,
of the.
you
Excuse me,
have a
sir.
right-
What did he say? What did
You have a
Omar?
right to worship a cow,
Omar.
by the way.
You
You
see?
have a right to worship a cow.
Resort.
I'm sorry
Yeah.
about that.
Thank you very much. Please escape. Please escape the entire nation. Please run away.
Yes.
I asked one question.
Yes, I am here. Yes, I am here.
I asked him, but Omar
ask you when
Yes.
you go.
unwittingly,
Yes.
I ask you when
Omar-
you
Where
my
is your
country.
cow?
unwittingly
Where is your
responded to the question I asked.
Where is your cow?
Exactly.
I asked him.
Cow.
Paying taxes. No.
Where is your cow?
Are you paying?
I asked Omar if he knows when Abraham lived. What did he say?
Hindi, Abdul Baha.
He said, I know only the
Where is
Quran.
your cow? Where is your cow?
In other words,
Yes.
I have only taken the.
Cow. Where is your cow? Where is your cow?
Look at it.
Where is your cow?
Where is your cow?
My dear friends,
Your ganja.
if you don't want to become like this, leave Islam.
Where is your cow?
Islam on show.
Jesus
Look at him.
was Jewish.
Islam on show. Including him.
What?
Including him.